we're checking out this Toyota Supra MK5. What exactly are we looking at here? The year, make, model, and spec of this thing.
2021 Toyota Supra MK5. I had the wheels and tires before I had the car. I had the spoiler before I had the car. The car was delivered. Immediately went to the shop. The BC forged HB09 wheels on it. Sabon spoiler to make it look like the MK4.
Yeah, that looks awesome.
I did the wrap with Sergey at New Layer Customs to make it look like the GR racing car.
Wow.
Lowered on KW coilover suspension. Very noisy Boost Logic exhaust. Full titanium.
Looks like a jet.
The F1 taillight. Did the E-Venturi intake. Did the aftermarket carbon fiber steering wheel. Carbon fiber paddle shifters. A few other carbon fiber odds and ends on the interior.
Okay.
Wind buffers, because Toyota screwed up when they designed it. If you open up the windows, you get horrible buffering of the windows, of the air.
Oh, really?
So I put those little doohickeys next to the mirror.
Okay.
That helps.
Interesting.
And I did the carbon fiber trim around the windows.
Gotcha. All right.
It's hard to remember. Low dust brake pads. It's honestly, it's hard to remember all the stuff I've done to it. The red emblem on the Supra on the back. But other than that, it didn't stay stock for very long.
No, it doesn't sound like it. So when you bought it, it was stock?
Yep. Bone stock.
Wow.
Bone stock, and I mean, cool car, but
yeah,
boring.
Yeah, it's come a long ways.
The Supra always kind of bugged me without the spoiler, because the Supra's not a Supra without a spoiler to me.
Right.
And it had the lines of the cars are a little cloudy, little bubbles.
Yeah.
And then when I threw the wrap on it, it took all that bubbleness away, because you got the jagged edges, and it looks like it's going fast.
Yeah.
And that's why the car just looks so aggressive to me. And
it does.
I couldn't be happier with it.
So as far as power goes, what are these stock? About approximately?
I think they're 380.
Okay.
Horsepower, torque. I can't remember.
Yeah, and then like after the stuff you've done,
probably well over 400.
Well over 400?
Yeah.
Okay. What is the exhaust actually called?
Boost Logic.
It's Boost Logic? Okay. And it's full titanium?
Yep, full titanium.
That's awesome. All right, well, let's take it on a spin. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I like that gurgle. That sounds good. Now, have you tracked this car yet, or you just daily it?
Yep.
You daily it?
If it's, nice weather.
Yeah, if it's nice weather, yep. Oh, that's a blast.
Look at this, guys.
Oh, not even looking. What the heck?
Face buried in his phone.
How can you not look at something like that? That blow-off valve is low. Do you usually drive in the manual mode, or you like it in the automatic?
I like it in manual mode. It's more fun.
Yeah, for sure. What's your favorite thing about this car?
Just the responsiveness to driving it.
Yeah.
The way it shifts, this with the new exhaust, it's just so much more fun, noisy.
Yep.
If I had to pick my favorite mod, probably between the wheels and the spoiler.
Oh yeah, the wheels look incredible on it, but the spoiler does too. Yeah. So stock, it is no spoiler, like you said, it's just flat. Like
a lot of people do the little lip spoilers, which are nice.
Yeah,
but
that big spoiler makes a huge visual difference. Yeah. I mean, it really catches your eye.
Now it looks like an MK4 to me.
Everything's done really well. Who's done the performance modifications?
Precision Motorsports.
Yeah, they did a good job. Everything's done really, really well.
Yeah, they're the best. They did steering wheel, exhaust, intake, F1 light.
Oh yeah.
Did the alignment when they lowered on the coilovers. Yeah, they're awesome. Awesome people to deal with.
Thanks for the ride in this thing. I appreciate it. That was awesome. If you're new to my channel and you're liking this content, I will be posting a brand new video every single week, so be sure to like this video and subscribe, and I will see you next time.